Hello everyone, this is how I made Spanish beans. That's the beans we find in Europe. They call it lenteja. I've cooked it and threw the water away. That's how I do it. That's how I want to do it. Okay. Here I have my red bell pepper. I have carrots in it. And now I'm going to add tomatoes. It's soft, so I'm going to add tomatoes. I'm only using my hand to break it. That's all. I'm going to use my hand to break it into it. I roasted these tomatoes, then I put it in it. So I'm going to blend it together. The tomato, the onions, red bell pepper, and carrots. I'll blend them together. Adding the oil. Okay. I want to make it with oil. Little, just little. Oil. I'm not frying onions again. I just want to do it this way. These tomatoes. They actually use tomatoes to make it. The real traditional way, the way they do it. It's either you slice tomatoes or you blend tomatoes. That's just all. It doesn't require much ingredients. But it's very good when you add carrots too. The way I blended it inside. So that is it. And I'm adding my washed beans. That's the beans they use. This is exactly how they make this type of beans here. Yeah, I prefer grinding my own tomatoes, but you can slice your tomatoes and make it too. You can also slice your carrot in it, but I blended mine. Give it a good taste. So I'm going to leave it to cook. I actually added salt before, so I'm not adding more. Salt is not so good in beans. So I'm going to allow it to cook. If you want to add water, you can add more water. If you are using it to eat rice, no need to add so much water. But it's for bread, I add a lot of water in it. I have my seasoning cube. This is chicken seasoning cube. I'm also adding my bay leaf to it. Just add more to it. All right, our beans is ready. Oh my God, this kitchen is so good. Look at this. You want to use it for bread, or you want to use it to eat rice? And use it to eat rice this way. Don't even need frying chicken or whatever. So this is how it is. This is it. See how colorful it is? So this is how it is, how to make it. Okay. Wow. Should we taste it? Even without tasting it, you know how it is. So delicious, eh? I'll use it with bread, rice, or you eat it this way. Oh my God. So that's it. Thank you for watching. You want to do it at home? Now you've learned how to do it this way. Subscribe for more videos. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.